Now our function is ready. Let's go to our index route, and I need to import that function. So far, I'm gonna call it visits of require alright one, and then source, and then visits of. I need a connection URL. I'm gonna call it var URL equals a string of MongoDB colon double slashes localhost, and then colon 27017, and then our database name, which is visits. All right, so let's go here. I'm gonna say let's create connection mango dot connect using the URL. This will trigger a callback function, return to us error and connection. All right. Then I need to say error console.log error return as well. Else let it be equals connection dot db, and the name of the db is physics. So now I need to increment the counter. So I'm gonna say visit sub dot increase counter. I'm gonna pass it this db, and I'm gonna use the collection name, which is visits, and the page here is gonna be home. Alright, and now I need to render this counter number inside my view. So I'm gonna say db dot db dot collection visits dot find. Actually, let's use find one, where the page equals to home, and then this will return a promise. Then that is gonna be rendered a document. Let's say let counter equals dark dot count. Right? I'm gonna pass this one here. First is render the index view where title equals to home, and the counter will be counter. Let me edit the index. So let's hit save. and go to the, and if I say, yeah, it works, but there is no count here. Let's go to the terminal and they say db, we got an error, db.collection that is not a function in visits up. Let's go to visits up, the JS, and here I forget, this is the function, how the function should be. Let us try again. The server is crashed, still crashed, so I have to hit save. I will put the server to refresh, and it is refreshing. And if I type home, I still got nothing. Home is not defined. Where is the home? At index.js. Index.js, where is home? Okay, this should be a string. Again, and it works, but there is no counter. What's happening? Error cannot set headers after they send to the client at let me check.